You want to build an AI agent that can pull real-time data from Stripe, update a contact in HubSpot, and drop a summary into Slack. The logic of the agent itself is straightforward. Getting those tools to actually talk to your agent is a completely different story. You end up writing custom integrations from scratch. You spin up Docker containers, manage complex authentication flows, and fight constant CORS errors. Before your agent can even execute its first task, the project hits a massive development bottleneck. This diagram shows how the Model Context Protocol, or MCP, solves this problem. It takes that chaotic web of custom integrations and snaps them into a single clean conduit, standardizing the entire communication layer. Vinkius operates the largest managed gateway for this protocol. They maintain a library of over 2,500 pre-built MCP servers that are ready to deploy instantly. By tapping into this library, Vinkius collapses months of custom API wrangling down to a single zero-infrastructure endpoint. The connection bottleneck disappears entirely. These protocols also bridge the gap into the legacy enterprise systems that manage global supply chains and finance. Deploying the SAP MCP server lets an agent dive into SAP S/4HANA databases, querying master data and tracking goods. It orchestrates the procure-to-pay cycle, purchase requisition, goods receipt, and invoice verification. Adding Oracle NetSuite lets the agent parallel process order-to-cash automation from live ledgers. This architecture provides the technical bridge for an agent to orchestrate financial and inventory tasks across different ERP systems. The developer can deploy these operations without writing custom integration code. Digital ledgers are one thing, but enterprise software dictates the physical reality of how goods are manufactured and moved across the world. Using the Odoo MCP server, your agent gains access to complex manufacturing rules. It can actively manage product lines and read bills of materials, the exact recipes required to assemble physical goods. The agent reads those recipes and autonomously orchestrates the sourcing of raw materials, scheduling everything required to generate the final manufacturing work orders. This map shows how the agent keeps the physical supply chain transparent. Once the product is built, the Flexport MCP server gives the agent visibility into shipments, containers, and tracking events, all the way from the factory to the doorstep. The agent reads live customs documentation and freight cost analysis. It uses this data to predict delivery delays before they happen and actively optimize routing decisions in transit. By integrating these logistics and manufacturing servers, agents begin coordinating the actual movement of goods across the global supply chain. Giving an autonomous AI full, unrestricted access to enterprise finance and global logistics creates a massive, unprecedented security challenge. Consider the Workday MCP server. It exposes sensitive data, including workforce queries, internal position hierarchies, and budget allocations. Vinkius's zero-trust architecture intercepts data requests from the AI agent before they reach enterprise systems. It enforces governance, verifying SOC 2 compliance, confirming role-based access, and logging requests in observability runbooks before letting the signal pass through. Vinkius provides the governed infrastructure layer designed to apply enterprise-grade security to these autonomous agent requests. You can access these thousands of secure MCP servers and start building today at Vinkius.com.